Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. So let's get into the video. So yeah, so sorry for my table. I'm going to be using this green. So let's start with this purple. But this is a clear base. This is more on the slime slide than foam. This one is a sticky. So yeah, let me just add some of my activator. Yeah, don't want to get everywhere. Guys, the reason is why I'm putting this on a green board is because my activator is really strong, and it literally the paint of my desk starts losing it. So yeah, there you go. Similar lighting. So yeah, it's foam with a clear base. Okay. So that's first. Second, we have here I'm not gonna say it's a butter slime with foam because it's not. So yeah, I don't know. It's foam. It's not that stretchy, but it's pretty sticky. So yeah, the second. Here is a white base with this is jiggly slime with jiggly slime. See, jiggly slime with foam beads. So yeah, and it's actually it's very pokey. It's really pokey. So yeah. So next one is, this is one of my favorite ones. It's straws. It's straws. Crunchy slime. So foam with straws. So this is one of my favorites. Okay. I don't like this one too much because this one is pink. But the problem with this one is it stains your fingers. It's the only problem with this one. It stains your fingers in the bowl. But other than that, it's a great slime and it has a wonderful texture. So yeah. Next one, I call this one blueberries. It has an awesome texture. This one is a butter slime with foam. This actually is a butter slime with foam. So yeah, it's funny. I have a little bit of activator. Okay, this is my favorite one out of all. Is white. So pretty. It is so thick. I just love it. I love it so much. So yeah. So I got this idea. So the way that I made this, oh geez, but the problem with this is that the flower beads start falling out, and I hate that. Okay. So here's the floor, the before, what the slime looked like. It's extremely thick. I loved it. See, let me just give you a mixing of it. So yeah. This one was so thick when I got it. I loved it. I call this one snow slime because I love it. It has a little. This one, because this one is so thick. That's why I love it so much. So yeah. Really pokey. See, that's what I'm making. Okay, now these are my mom's slimes. My mom loves her slime to be extremely hard, like rubber. I don't know why. This one is more. They're not stretchy at all. I just don't like her slimes. She made them. She loves them. She plays with them all the time. This one is a pink. They're really pokey, but I just don't like them. It's the same thing. It's just, you know, this one is harder than all of them. Okay, it's not fat, and then. So now, this is one of my favorites. Oh geez, it is. It's one of my favorites. It is a clear. It was a yellow clear slime. But it melted, so I'm reactivating it. Yellow. Okay, so yeah. Now here we have some stress balls. Stress ball. So yeah, here's two stress balls. So now the last one. It's just a green. Okay. So moving on to our big slimes. So I just showed you this slime. Okay, so our next one. So this is one of the famous butter slimes. So let me just move back a little so you can see how stretchy it is. It does not break at all. So yeah, and it makes awesome. It makes awesome swirls. So yeah, so just a tip: when slime gets hard, like really hard, like how, just add some shaving cream. Just add shaving cream. That's all you want. Just add shaving cream. Simple as that. So see, it got stretchier. And I got. So yeah, so let's see a little hack that I showed you. Señora. Bueno. 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 So here I just have one. Here I have just jiggly slime, which I am not going to be putting in that container. Oh guys, I have some slime. Oh, here is slime. Okay guys, let's do a quick slime smoothie.
¿Por qué no quiere ver la película con nosotros? ¿Por qué? La momia.
Yo ya me vi esa.
¿A dónde la vio?
Donde Camilo. So okay guys, so let me do slime swirl. So yeah, so now let's fix it. No le pongas tan duro.
Para que vea la movie.
Oh my god. So guys, it's really pretty. Sorry guys. So yeah, now it looks pretty. So yeah, this is not gonna fit in again. So yeah. Okay. So it probably fit in here. So yeah. So yeah, that's some slime. Now there's jiggly foam slime. It's going in this one. Okay. So yeah, now I get to reserve. So yeah. So now. This is my last slime. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate that you're watching my channel. If you like this video, then hit the subscribe button. And now I post daily. So yeah, thank you, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, well, wonderful night or day. So I will see you later because it's every day. Slime day, bro. Peace.